Add this to your car tank every 4,000 miles. The STP petrol or diesel system cleaner will help towards cleaning deposits, helps restores performance, as well it lowers fuel consumption. We all do know that top quality fuel do have good additives, but add this cleaner as a bonus. When you add a fuel injector cleaner to your tank, it's recommended that you add it just before adding the fuel. This will allow the additive to be immediately get mixed and get sucked into the fuel injectors upon starting your engine. If you add it after you fueled up, then not to worry, it's totally fine. It's just been recommended to be carried out in that process. I will leave a link below for you to check out the actual experiments that were carried out that will surprise you. Drive safe, peace.